Happy Monday, everyone. ODWO channel. This is DO. I'm glad I remembered that I had not had my recording software on at this time. So I put it on, kind of paused it here because this I had to get. The last time I did this, I didn't get it recorded. This is where the problem started. On this candle right here, this is Tesla. Started right here. Right about here at the breakout is whenever I jumped in looking for some levels I've marked off above that, in particular 1125. But then I held, and whenever it came back against me and then kind of weaseled around here and then it went up, I thought, all right, here it goes. But then it really went against me. And this is where I should have just said, okay, take the money and take the money I lost and just fight back later. Instead, I had to fight back, even though it shows 1241, I had to fight back 1558. Anyway, with that, what I'm going to show here is pre-market levels I was originally looking at. Okay, here's the pre-market. Let's just kind of look. Here's Friday afternoon. Mind you, I was on vacation. Wife and I were in Wimberley, Texas. Beautiful Wimberley. Lots of hill country. May not be the Rocky Mountains or the Appalachians, but I can tell you it is very nice, and it was wonderful. Limestone rock, aquifer water. You wash your head in it, and you feel like you just can't get it out of there. It's so soft. Okay, here's pre-market low, 1080. This is Tesla. Friday close, normal time outside of the shortened hours, 1081.92. We did have a hard level of 1100 right here. 9 EMA. We have a Wednesday high, which is Wednesday last week, the day before Thanksgiving. Pre-market high right here. Notice it was dropping. With that big market drop on Friday, everybody probably thought, hey, this is going down. But then when you wake up and you see it does this, makes another high, a lot lower than the close. Anyway, here we are today. This is where I got in, 8:32 and how many seconds? Like 20 or 30 seconds into it. First candle, say I won't get fooled again, the old The Who song. Sure enough, comes down, so here it does it again. I think, well, this is it. 2 candles into the day, open range break, a real one. Well, it did shoot up. But I held on, and if I would have gotten out right away after I gotten in, I would have maybe had a little money. But instead, I held. By this time, wherever I got in here, the options were not where they should have been. The implied volatility was, of course, Tesla. Expensive and high. Once it got here and started going against me, I'm going, what do I do? But I still had faith in what it was going to do. Instead, of course, I get out the absolute last possible moment thinking, okay, this thing's going to go down. At this point, the range from here to here is about in the middle. Once it hit that, it did hit what would have been VWAP on my interactive brokers chart, but no. So anyway, I get out at the absolute worst, minus 1558 at this point. Okay, might as well bring the video up and show you what's going on. Here we are, same place, down we're going. Start this puppy up, let you see what I did. Whatever you'd done, whatever you would do, please feel free to leave a message or a comment. I'm thinking right now for myself, what I need to do is show a bit more discipline. I'm not worried about the loss. If I took everything and just said, okay, I'm done for the day, we got the money. We, me, myself, and I. I also have a few accounts, and right now, actually today, I'm trading a different account. Actually, no, I'm still in the regular account. So, start it up. Okay, it's on the way down. You can see right here what I should have done, being as I got in at 41.51, way up here. So here I get out at $36.23. I'm down 15.58. Despite what happened on Friday, despite all of that, just because it goes down one day doesn't mean the market's going to crash, no matter what anybody says. All that is giving a range from the high of that day to the low. That's all it's doing. Believe me, it's going to take a lot more than Friday to bring this market down. It may still happen. But notice where it's at. I mean, this is a recap of the day, but if you look at the time right now, which is 11:46 or 12:46 a.m. Eastern Time, look at where the SPY and the Q are. They're not worried about any downward bias. You just have to wait. Me, I didn't wait. I should have waited about 5 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes for that matter. But I'm in now another 3 contracts, 11:15 calls, Tesla, 37.20. Whoops, that is not what I wanted to show. This trade is going to be a couple of minutes. So looking at it, this is where, here we are again. This is mine, the one that's moving the most. I'm at 37.20. Another thing I keep doing today, or I should just, whenever it gets up there, just take it. There's a lot of money I left on the table despite what I did here. Right about now, if it doesn't make a high, I'm starting to a little bit of sweat, not really, but just thinking, man, this thing's not going to do what I want it to do. Notice it's at 37.05 by 37.60, 70. It pops way up to 38.40, and then suddenly it's down to 37. There's that slot machine. There it goes, 39. I'm in, finally in the money. All I'm doing here is doing damage control, thinking, well, depending on what it can do, if I can get back up above that high a day, then I will gladly take what I can and have a small loss. 37.20 I'm in. 41 right now, and there it goes. I mean, it just rolls. 50 cents to a buck, bid and ask. It just rolls and rolls and rolls again. 43, see right here? That from 43 down to 42.15. Now, come on, this is Tesla we are talking about, right? So here I'm going to be starting to look to get out. Like right now, I'm only down 15 bucks. I've made 1,600 bucks. Imagine if I'd have just held it for that. I would have had to have waited 9 to 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes just to get in to get the real move. See right here, I know I get out at 42. That's kind of a spoiler alert. I get out at 42 all 3 contracts, but I do it in 2 trades. This is where I keep trying to grab what's on the bid here, getting a better fill, and then it just ratchets it right back down on me. Look at that, below 42. And then right back up it'll go. Now I'm thinking, do I need to get out now and just take the loss? What would you do? You see, this is where I might have tried to click that and got a little better than the bid. But I'm happy. I'm down $121. That's 2 trades into the day. Yes, 1 and 2 trades. I'm looking for another one. I still see the bias upward. 11.25 is right here. I just need it to break above that. I think I actually got in a little bit early. $43.23 times 3. Watch that movement. I mean, from 43 to 44, just in split seconds. I want it to push, make a new high. I'm just seeing how many people are throwing up there on the ask is why I do that. See, that's where I tried to get a higher number. higher, if I'm at 43.22, I was trying to get somewhere in the 44s, but it just, they ratchet this thing so quick. And if I let that order sit there, they keep ratcheting it down. Of course, they're looking at me. I'm the only other one trading this besides algorithms, right? Not. I want it to get up above 44. This is also going to be a couple of minutes here. See, I'm trying 46.
Order filled.
45, I'll take it. 43, whatever I said. Now I'm $421 into the money. Not bad, just patience. Some people freak out and they go, oh, I got to get back in right away, but sometimes you got to wait. Again, the magic number up there is, I'm dropping it now back to 2 contracts. Just saying, I got $400. If I'm going to lose it all and come out break even, I'm not going to give it away that quickly. 1125 is a hard level, and that's right in here. Actually, this is the part where I think I need to fast forward, because my next trade, my last trade of the day, is at 8:50 and 20 seconds. So I'm going to just sort of pull this forward here. Notice it went all the way down instead of me jumping in. So here's this. We're about to see the last trade, which is actually over 2 minutes, or right over 2 minutes, barely over. The line there is 11.25, or give or take a few pennies, because it's kind of tough with interactive brokers to get it right. I thought of going to light speed and some of the other ones out there, but I'm going to still stick with interactive brokers for now. Okay, I should be getting ready to jump in about 8:50 and 20 seconds, or probably right about in here. Okay, 45.65 is my cost to get in, times 2. I'm not too worried. I'm in the money. If I can just get it to push up above that high of the day, and if anything, I was kind of hoping, well, maybe we'll just jump all the way on up to 11.50, which I'm sure a lot of people are hoping for. See, I got in at a certain level, and this is right about where I got in. I guess you really can't go by what they say for the options and the implied volatility and the delta and all this. No, it's whatever they're rolling out there on you. Maybe it's a Tesla thing, and I just don't understand. Going against me a little bit here, but we're about to see the light of day. Looking back at my yearly average, from August on, I've been averaging maybe $500 to $700 a day. If I put it all together, if I do the whole year before I really started getting serious about trading, scalping at that, a whole different way for me instead of position trading, and of course playing options, which I love, I am on track to have a decent year, even though it's only from a half year, but on the average. Next year, and even going into this Christmas season, I think there's going to be, I'm going to predict, and that's what I hate doing, predicting. But it's going to be a good year next year, no matter what the economy does, as long as they let us trade and don't screw us around, us as individual day traders. Okay, 45.65. there. I got a decent fill. 46.29. Figure 46.30, 45.65. That's 35, 30, 65 times 2 contracts. So that's where my day ended right there. I'm still watching the market. I want to see what they're going to do. It may still go up. 1150 is not out of the question if you ask me. Here's my thumbnail for it. Actually, this is not my thumbnail. This is my little snag it video. So where is it? There we are. No music today. Something about YouTube. They don't like me copying little jingles off of one of their YouTube videos. They don't give me any royalties. I'm thinking, what royalties? I've only got, what, 10 subscribers? Got a lot of views, though, and it's the ones that you don't see. In fact, they're kind of hidden, they say. But those, I know who they are. Just because I listen to their videos, we all watch each other's videos. Right, guys? But the day right here is done. Unless towards maybe another hour or so, they start making a rise up to that magic 1150. Let's see here. Really sorry about the delay here. I'm kind of looking for that chart. See, where are we? Oh, wow. Q's, new high. SPY, no. But they're way up there. The question is, are they done? Are they going to come back? I guess while I'm at lunch, I'm going to look at little market profile charts. See what they say. Anyway, I hope you're green. If you have more than I do, I salute you, as they say. Because seriously, you had everything going your way, you made money, and even if you didn't make $547, only made $29, trust me, you're green. And if you had to do something that I had to do today and come back, I'd have been up, what, let's see, over $2,000 if you figure I claimed $1,558 back and $547. You know, I have got to work on that because the money's there. My ultimate goal is to make $250,000 a year, and think about that. It's $5,000 a week if I'm right. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yeah. $5,000 a week. 5,000 times 50 weeks. Probably less than that because if I make $250,000, I'm going to be taking a nice vacation somewhere. So anyway, with that, hope you have a good day. Hope your trading's good. Keep it light, lean, or go hog wild and see what happens the hard way. Take it easy. This is Dio out.